Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 524. The first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser, your Roblox in a browser, and you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And the next thing that you can do here, you need to press on this little cog icon that is on the top right corner. And once you press it, then the new menu pops up here, and then you need to go to settings. And on this new window, you need to go to privacy here and then scroll down until you see other settings. And you need to make sure that to change these three settings. So the first one, who can make me a member of their private server, make sure to choose everyone. And then who can join me in experiences, make sure to use everyone. And who can see my inventory, make sure to basically select everyone, and then refresh the Roblox here, and you should be fine. But if the issue persists, then another thing that can happen to you if you're getting this error code, sometimes extensions can cause the problem. So what you can do here, in the top right of your browser, you need to press on three little dots, or in my case there is three little dashes here, and you just need to go to extensions and make sure to disable extensions like ad blocker or others, and then you just need to refresh Roblox and try to join a private server again, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.